How do you avoid paying tax on your forex trading profits? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to keep motivating me to making these videos and answering your questions. If you're looking to download forex tools, forex robots, indicators, systems, books and stuff like that, visit the blogs. The links are in the description box below. See if you cannot find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below. Okay, let's get into today's video. Sometimes I'm asked, how do you avoid paying tax on your forex trading profits? Guys, it's a weird question and a strange one, because everyone should be paying tax. You should be helping to build your nation by paying taxes, but people will always be people, and sometimes you get asked, how do you avoid paying tax on forex trading? The short answer is you cannot. The best answer is there are ways where you can actually minimize the amount of tax that you generally have to pay. You cannot avoid paying tax. If your country that you are trading from, if they are good with what they are doing, their systems, and they're good at monitoring your incomes and stuff like that, you cannot get away from that one. But what you can work on is actually to find ways to minimize the taxes that you are paying. For example, we said if you are actually trading through a corporate account, there are ways where you can actually minimize the overall tax that you are supposed to pay, rather than when you're trading as an individual. It generally companies will have to pay tax on the amount they are left with after they've deducted expenses and a whole lot of things, which minimizes the tax that they have to pay, unlike individuals who have to pay tax on the initial income before expenses and everything like that. So if you find a good accountant, they might actually help you find ways to minimize, not to completely avoid paying tax altogether, which is actually a criminal offense in many countries. Willingly or willfully or intentionally avoiding to pay tax in many countries is a criminal offense, which can land you in jail with a hefty fine and stuff like that. So for small time forex traders, you might actually remain under the radar and you might not be picked up by most systems. But for the guys that are raking in the hundreds of thousands, the millions, there is no way that you can remain under the radar for too long. So you have to just keep your tax affairs in order. In case the taxman one day just chooses to come after you, everything should be in order, which means that it's important that as a trader you are good with your record keeping. Make sure that you keep your records, the amounts that you invested in your account, the losses that you took, the profits that you made, because that will determine the amount of tax that you are going to be required to pay. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant. That's why I said it's prudent that you find an accountant in your area that can help you to actually find ways to reduce your taxable income and avoid paying this huge figure. So you find ways to actually reduce it, not to avoid it. Besides, that's what every patriot, every citizen of every country should be doing. Your taxes, in the best of situations, actually help to build your country. So you shouldn't be looking for ways to avoid paying taxes. But of course, I understand you have worked hard for your money. So what you can do is to find ways to lower your taxes, but do not avoid paying taxes altogether. It's a criminal offense and you'll be in trouble. Trust me, you'll be in trouble. So I hope this helps you and this clears the air. Please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you still have questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.